right, it is June 28th. It's probably been a good 4 years. Have to look back on the video, but it's definitely been a while since we have actually got out and did some post-spawn river fishing. Usually it's pretty wet, and it has rained quite a bit this weekend, so the normal river float would be a little quick. It's kind of hard to, you know, keep yourself in the middle where you want to be fishing at. So hopefully we can find a couple of fish in these back pockets and, you know, at least catch a couple.
Come on, man, what's going on?
As long as we're not running around.
There's one.
Oh, what's going on? That's what's going on.
Come on, baby.
Smallmouth dancing.
Get over here.
Land them.
Come on. Uh-huh.
Now extend your pole back and kind of bring him towards you and grab that fucker.
He's still at the bottom.
Oh, well, watch out for
Come on.
snaggies. Don't lose them.
Come on, baby. You might sacrifice the monster for this one.
It'll be worth it. Get him in the boat, bro.
I got it. I got it.
Nice fish.
Look at this fish, buddy.
Smallie, ain't it?
Oh, yeah. What a way to start the morning.
I was about to say, it's pretty black, it looks like.
What's going on, baby? Get over here.
The season's always hard to handle.
Alrighty. She's beautiful. She's got to be like 14 inches, maybe 15 inches.
Yeah, nice dark post-spawn smallie.
But we can't fuck around right now. We gotta go.
Into some camera.
Okay, we're good for a second.
The crankbait produces.
The crankbait strikes first. I thought I snagged up at first. And then I was like, wait a minute.
I feel a little cool.
I feel some head shaking. Number one on the day. Probably be, knock on wood, nicest fish of the day. That's a decent smallmouth. That's a good first fish. Am I on? I am. It's such a little fish, I didn't even know I was on. I thought I hit a stick and was just dragging a stick through the water. Alright. We have successfully beached ourselves on something.
Yeah, they fast. I have a real cute one.
6-inch largemouth. Woo. There he goes.
Hogs, people. Hogs.
Yeah, we only catch hogs. I love people that say that because, like, no, you don't.
Yeah, I mean, like every single person.
Everybody catches the dinks while they're fishing, too.
Oh, yeah.
We wouldn't have a long enough video.
We got 30-second videos of you catching
We
one.
can only do YouTube shorts.
Yeah. You guys caught 1 8-inch fish. Yeah, man. Come to the pool on it. Best place ever. Oh yeah. Oh, pike.
Hey, caught a snot rocket.
Hold on, little buddy. Skunk is out of the boat, and my first.
Whoa, there he goes.
My
That's
first.
why we call them snot rockets, boys and girls.
Yep, she was slick. First pike of the season. Couldn't really get a great estimate on how big he was, but he wasn't. Yeah, he wasn't big. He was a pretty. Oh, wood. I thought you said hooked up. like, "What you do? Jump out of my boat and go eat your lure?" He was a pretty healthy fish though. He was pretty girthy. Still had quite a bit of fight left in him. There we go. Hooked up. Not a bad bass. Fish number 2. Little, probably like 11 incher, pretty fat. Good largemouth. Second fish of the morning. Huh. Awesome. Took the time to, you know, bust out the phone for a little snatch chat. And my hands were so wet I thought I was recording, and I wasn't even recording. My line was wrapped on my pliers. I like to, that thing came right out of that dock right there.
Crappie. He just dug his spines into my leg. We caught a little crappie. I'm showing you if you want to see it.
Oh, nice.